Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today my topic is Shakespeare's The Merchant of Venice, Act 3, Scene 2. It's a very long scene, okay? Act 3, Scene 2 is a very long scene and also very important scene for ICSE examination. Now, I'm starting today Act 3, Scene 2. Okay, I'm giving the important lines. Okay, I'm giving the explanation of important line. Come on, let's start. Bassanio has arrived at Belmont. He is about to choose the casket. At that very moment, Portia tells. Now, what does Portia tell? Come on, let's listen to Portia's speech. I pray you, tarry, pause a day or two before you hazard, for in choosing wrong, I lose your company, therefore forbear a while. There's something tells me, but's not love, I would not lose you. Okay? Portia is requesting Bassanio to wait a day or two before risking the final choice. If he makes a wrong choice, Portia would no longer be Bassanio's. So wait for some time. Portia is requesting Bassanio to wait for some time. Something, though it's not love, it tells that Portia does not want to lose Bassanio. Clear? Now, Portia tells that a young lady has no other choice except to think, though her thoughts may not be expressed. Okay? She's telling, yet maiden had no tongue but thought. Okay? Now, next is telling, I will detain you here some month or two before you venture for me. I could teach you how to choose right, but then I am forced on. Okay? Portia is telling that I would like to make you stay for a month or two before you make the choice to win me. I could teach you how to choose the right casket, but I have taken an oath. Okay? Portia is telling that she had taken an oath. On the contrary, not to do such a thing by breaking that oath. Okay? Because she has forsworn. She had already taken oath before her father that she would not tell anyone anything regarding the casket. And next, she is advising Bassanio that you may choose the wrong casket and lose me, but I cannot help you. Okay, in that case, you would make me wish that I should have committed the sin of breaking my promise. Okay, Portia is telling that I cannot break my promise. Now, next is telling, oh, these naughty times put bars between the owners and their rights. Okay, alas, what bad times we're living, which put obstacles between owners and their possession in such a way that although everything is yours, I am not yours. Okay, she's telling that although everything is yours, I am not yours. Okay, next she's telling that I'm talking too much. I do it only to stretch the company, to spread it out and prolong it to the fullest extent, to delay your choice. Okay, I'm delaying your choice. Now, let's choose. Okay. Portia is advising Bassanio to choose the right casket. Okay, to choose the casket. Then Portia takes Bassanio near the casket and next she tells that, away then, I am locked in one of them. If you do love me, you will find me out. Okay, Portia is telling Bassanio that go ahead then, my portrait is in one of them. If you love me, you will find it out. Next is telling Nerissa and the rest to stand aside. Okay, rest refers to other maids. Okay, let there be music while Bassanio makes the choice. Okay, Portia is telling that let there be music while Bassanio makes the choice. Should he fail, if Bassanio fails in his choice, music will accompany his end like the swan that sings sweetly while it is about to die. Okay, now Elizabethan believed that swan sings once, that is before his death. Okay, before its death. In the same way, if Bassanio loses the lottery, okay, his end will be like the swan that sings sweetly while it is about to die. Next, she is telling that if Bassanio wins, then what will the music for? Then the music will be like the sound of trumpets when loyal subjects bow before a newly crowned king. It will like the melodious sounds which reach the dreaming bridegroom's ears at Tribeca to call him to his marriage. Next, Portia tells Bassanio that go with handsome presents. Okay, Portia is telling Bassanio that go with no less present but with much more love than young Alcides. Portia compares Bassanio to Alcides. Now, who is Alcides? Alcides is a Greek hero. Okay, the other name referred to Alcides is Hercules. Now, Alcide has saved virgin tribute. Virgin tribute is referred to Hesiod. Okay. Alcide has saved, or you can tell Alcide has rescued virgin tribute, or you can tell Hesiod, who was offered as sacrifice to the sea monster, and the people of Troy, they wept a lot. Okay, and Alcide was successful in saving Hesiod. And the rest aloof here is told to the Dardanian wives. The Dardanian wives are the women of the Troy. Okay, with bleared visages means with sad faces that come to see the issue of the exploit, means the sacrifice of Hesiod. But over here it refers to the sacrifice of Portia. Go Hercules means go Bassanio, live thou I live. Okay, means I would watch the contest, means Portia would cause the context with much more anxiety than you who are going to participate in it. Okay, this is the Portia speech. Okay, I have taught you. Bassanio is going to choose the casket and Portia is giving her long speech. Okay, up to this much. In my next video, I am going to bring something new. Something new means I am going to continue with this scene. Okay, until then, goodbye.